What's up guys, Juno here from Tinybot. Now I'm here to introduce you to a brand new product we got for your interior space. And that's our Leather Force professional grade ceramic coating. Now, a professional grade leather ceramic requires you to clean the surface thoroughly before application. But once you apply it and let it cure, you're going to see some amazing benefits. For one, it's unmatched hydrophobicity. This means any spills, any liquid that touches the surface will just roll right off. Also, it blocks UV light. This means no discoloring, fading, or cracking to the surface. In fact, it actually enriches and revitalizes the color that your leather once had. It's going to restore it and provide a deeper tone to the color. And one thing that I find personally most important is that Leather Force prevents dye transfer to the seats. If you're wearing a lot of jeans or garments that are dyed, oftentimes that color can reach the surface. This will have your surface looking discolored. Well, this will help prevent that. Unlike other leather coatings, our Leather Force applies dry. This means you're going to be left with a fresh factory sheen at the end. Nice matte, not greasy. But as always, we don't just talk about it, we be about it. So let's head over to the lab and show you what Leather Force is all about. Okay guys, we got a leather seat on top of the table. We have Tinybot Restart and we have Tinybot Leather Force leather ceramic coating. Now, the surface has already been cleaned, but it's always a good idea to use a degreaser like Tinybot Restart here to make sure to remove all residue, waxes, and surfactants, which will allow the ceramic to properly stick and absorb into the material. Okay, we properly cleaned the seat. We removed all contaminants, residues, and waxes with Tinybot Restart. We're going to apply Tinybot Leather Force on the left side and Brand X on the right side. We'll start with Tinybot Leather Force. Leather Force is very easy to use. Put some on the applicator, apply it onto the surface, and then buff it right off. You have quite a lot of time to get it done. You can go ahead, take your time, get every crevice, get every part of the surface, and then buff it off within 20 minutes, within reason. However, with other brands, there's always worry of flashing. They normally say, like with Brand X, apply it and buff off within 2 to 3 minutes, or else they'll be staining. With ours, you don't have to worry about any of that. Now again, with Brand X, they say to buff it off within 2 to 3 minutes. Now we've applied ours on the left side. We're just gonna leave it sitting there for a while until we finish applying Brand X. So Brand X has already been buffed. Now we let some time pass, a few minutes. Again, with our brand, you don't need to really rush. You have quite a lot of time. It's not gonna flash on you. There won't be any staining. Take your time and really get every crevice to make sure all of the surface is protected. Okay, so we let the coatings cure for a few days. Again, we have Brand X on the right side and we have Tinybot Leather Force on the left side. We're about to get down with a battery of tests to see a survival of the fittest, if you will. So we'll start with water repellency, Brand X, Leather Force. Both seem intact, both have water repellency, water beading. Now if you look, when it comes to ceramics, it's the size of the beads, how round they are. Compare the beads for Tinybot Leather Force with Brand X. I've prepared another test We got a pair of tapered jeans here. Now, the reason's obvious. The one thing that most people are fearful of when it comes to their leather seats are jean stains. Will they come off? We'll try that right now. Okay, so we'll start with brand X. Start rubbing the jeans on the surface. You can start, I'm not sure the camera can pick it up, but you can see the blue starting to form there. Okay, now we'll go with Tinybot Leather Force. As you can see, the blue jean stains are there. So now we know we have jean stains on our leather. Let's see if we can take it out with a microfiber towel and just some water. We'll start with brand X. Seems like the blue still remains. Now we'll flip the towel over, spray some water on the surface of Tinybot Leather Force. The blue jean stains were right here. And the jean stains are gone. So now we're going to try the pen test. We have a black one here, side of brand X. Tinybot Leather Force. As you can see, it doesn't write well. So we have a microfiber towel. We're going to try rubbing out the pen markings with just a dry towel first. This is the side of brand X. Okay, didn't budge really. Now we'll try the side of Tinybot Leather Force. As you can see, it just comes right off, even without water. Just for good measure, and also to show that I'm not using a different towel for brand X, I'm going to write on the surface again. Then I'm going to take the same dry towel and wipe it off. As you can see, it all came off. Now again, same towel. And it doesn't come off. It still remains. Now we're going to spray some water on brand X to see if that will help take it off. Okay, so even with water, the pen is really on there and it's not coming off.